Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Right-click Run as Administrator. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. Open File Explorer. Open file. File opening without any errors. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.